Did you know you can manage project work in Loop flexibly? You just head over to loop.cloud.microsoft when you signed into your tenant, and you can go and create what's called a Loop workspace. I've created a data work space with project work as my page. I've got an area in this project work that's actually a Kanban board. Use a / to see what you can create on these Loop pages. Scroll down, you'll see Kanban board. Here I've created one called business data. What I've done is I've just created 2 tasks, just like Planner, where you can have the title, an owner, we can select target dates, we can put different stages according to the buckets, checklists and notes. We can also add lots of extra stuff in to give it more life. The beauty of this is once you've created your plan here, and you can have as many buckets as you like, click the little share icon up here, share the Loop component, take the link, and now take your work on the road. What I mean by that is create a new email, for example, paste that link into it, and notice that board, business data, is now visible in my email. So is the Kanban board I created below it. You can have different pages for different boards and share different boards via different emails. I can send this to a colleague in my tenant, and they'll also get this email, either be able to collaborate via the email here directly or any other Loop enabled app in their Microsoft tenant. They can add cards, they can move tasks around, or they can go straight over here and collaborate with me. Another level of flexibility we've now got with our project work if you don't like working in traditional methods like Planner and Project.